Hey guys, what's up? Moon Math Tutor here, and welcome to the fourth video of our quadratics playlist. In this video, we cover completing the square, how to use it to solve any quadratic, and how it connects to graphing in vertex form. This method lays the foundation for some of the most advanced algebra techniques, so it's important that we master this first. Let's get started. Let's say we have x squared plus 6x. So to turn this into a perfect square, what we have to do is we have to add 6 divided by 2 squared to get x squared plus 6x plus 9. And this is just going to be x plus 3 squared. This is going to be the basic concept that we're going to try to implement in this completing the square method. We're just adding a constant to make something factorable. So now let's say I have x squared plus 6x plus 5 equals 0. So to complete the square on the left-hand side here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to consider this 5. I'm going to try to turn it into 6 divided by 2 squared equals 9. But now I'm going to subtract 5 to get 4. So this tells me that I need to add 4 to both sides. So I'll have x squared plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 4. So now I'll have x plus 3 squared is equal to 4. So now from here I can see that x is equal to negative 3 plus or minus 2, which is negative 5 and negative 1. This is what I'll do when a is equal to 1. So now I'll show you what to do when a is not equal to 1. So in this case, I'm going to have 2x squared plus 8x plus 5 is equal to 0. So the first step is I'm going to divide every term by our a coefficient. So I'll have this plus 4x plus 5 divided by 2 is equal to 0. Now I'm just going to do the same process as before. And this is going to give me, or at least this is going to turn into 4 divided by 2 squared equals 4. Then subtract 5 over 2 to get 3 over 2. So this turns into x squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 3 over 2. So x plus 2 squared is equal to 3 over 2. So x is equal to negative 2 plus or minus root 3 over 2. So yeah, just like that, completing the square can be used to solve almost any quadratic, as you can see here. So I'm moving on to graphing. Let's say that I have y is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 5. To complete the square on this one, it's going to be like a similar process as before. I'm going to turn this into 6 divided by 2 squared equals 9, then subtract 5 to get 4. So this time, instead of adding 4 to both sides, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write this as this. But this time I'm going to subtract 4 from the right-hand side. So basically I'm adding 4 and subtracting 4. So this shouldn't change anything, but this should give me the same quadratic, but in vertex form. So if I'm trying to graph a quadratic like this, I can tell that the vertex is going to be negative 3 comma negative 4. And I can also tell that this parabola is going to open upwards. So there you have it. Completed square is most commonly used when trying to do something like this, when you're trying to graph a quadratic. But yeah. Now let's do some quick practice. Okay, let's consider, so now we're going to do some quick practice. Consider x squared minus 4x plus 1 equals 0, and 3x squared plus 12x plus 5 equals 0. I'm going to count down to 5. I'll give you a chance to pause the video, and then I'll go over the solutions. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now I'm going to go over the solutions. Okay, so now for the first one, I'm going to try to turn this 1 into negative 4 over 2 squared equals 4. Now I'm going to subtract 1 to get 3. So I'm going to rewrite this as x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 3, which turns into x minus 2 squared equals 3. So x is equal to 2 plus or minus root 3. And now for this one, since I have an a that's not equal to 1, I'm going to divide every term by that 3 to get this. Now I'm going to try to turn this 5 over 3 into 4 divided by 2 squared equals 4 minus 5 over 3, which is equal to 7 over 3. So this is going to turn into x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals 7 over 3. So x plus 2 squared equals 7 over 3. So x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root 7 over 3. So there you have it. You just learned one of the most versatile tools in algebra, and next up we will dive into the quadratic formula, which is really just completing the square in disguise. So if you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like, and if you're interested in more easy math tips, then make sure to subscribe. See you guys next time.